Today we left camp around 9:30. It's 5 p.m. now. We've finally made it down a mountain. We kept losing the trail, kept losing the cairns. Maliak, we've been told, isn't actually a hut. So we decided to cross the trail a bit, cut across basically, and to try and save some miles and some time. And I think it worked, except when we reached the long river, we had to go down a really steep part, so just be mindful of that. I think it's almost better just to follow the normal trail, but we had a long day ahead of us, so we tried something and it kind of worked, but we did do something quite steep. I think we're losing the trail a lot due to our map. With the lack of height curves, we just keep, and the far distance between the cairns, we just keep losing the trail, trying to readjust, losing time, and we get tired. But we had a great lunch today. We opened up the Nutella that really pushed up lifted our spirits. And yeah, the views are incredible. Like, it is such a beautiful part of the trail, but it could use a few more cairns, and I hope a few more people start to hike it so we can actually get like a proper trail on it. Right now it's pretty tough. Every step you kind of sink into the moss or the plants, so it's like extra tough. Our average speed has decreased from 4.1 kilometers an hour on the Arctic Circle Trail to 3.1, so we are significantly slower. We hope to reach Sarfannguit around 8 p.m. tonight, so we have about 3 hours left. A lot of August flies today. We started off with no wind, so we had like 3 hours with lots of flies. That was not great, but around midday we got a bit of wind, so that helped. It's hot and nice. Weather has been really good to us. But yeah, we're a bit tired. We just want to reach Sarfannguit as soon as possible.